Okay, now the next exercise is going to be placing doors and windows. But before we do that, we are going to do an extra exercise here. You can see that we cannot really see what is beneath these black walls. What we are going to do, we are going to select this wall and then go to right click, then go to override graphics in views, and then use by categories. And then what we are going to do, we are going to go to the surface transparency, and then we put this transparency to 100%, and then we click OK. Now all the walls are going to be transparent so that you can now see beneath it. I'm going to go to doors, and I will uncheck masonry frame. I'm going to uncheck this one, and then when I place this, now it is going to. Next we are going to place windows. I'm going back to level 1 floor plan, and then I will go and snap all the way these windows in here. I'm going to start to go to architecture, then go to windows, and then I will choose. So I'm going to choose which one. I'm going to choose the 1400 by 1200, and this one is going to be placed in here. And yeah, you have all these windows. Let me cancel twice, and then let's preview in the 3D to see what we have actually done.